Hello Android users, in this video I'll tell you how to use the feature of camera effect. Now first let's on it and then I'll tell you what it is exactly. Go to the settings option of your WhatsApp and tap on the privacy. Here you will scroll it down and you will see option of camera effect. Allow camera effects, right? Which will be shown on your video calls. So it is turned. I can off it now, right? So I can turn it back on. Once you do that, you will have to tap on continue, use camera effects. You have to allow that, right? If you click on not now, it will not be turned on, right? So I have just turned it on and now I will go and call on my other phone, right, and show you how it happens. So I have to give a video call, not a normal one, right, because camera effects will be visible only then. So I'm calling right now. All right, so once the person picks up, right, you will see your screen, right? Here you will get option of that shining pen. Below the I tapped on effect and I see options of, here I'm playing with filters, but now let's tap on effect like this, and now I'm scrolling it and we have many options. So this is the mirror one with the water image, and then we have this glasses with a sunset scene in it and background as clouds. So that's quite interesting. You can do it with your friends. This is the one with smiley and your teeth will shine. This is a like crying one. You can just try it yourself, call your friend and try out these amazing effects. And don't forget to on the effects feature. In case you haven't, then it will be easy also again, because you can do it right away. After you on the feature once, you can on it right away when you are on the video call itself, in case it is off. So that's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da.